In a previous video, I covered the manual for the PowerBasic console compiler, which is comprised of some 550 pages of useful information on all the commands that the console compiler can actually do. I've now taken receipt of an even larger manual for the Windows compiler. This is comprised of some 690 pages of information on all the commands that the Windows compiler can actually do. Overall, I am very impressed with the content of the manual, but not only the content. The quality of the manual itself, the binding, and the way it's presented is excellent and ideal as a reference work, and I can highly recommend it. I'll put links in the description below where you can actually purchase these manuals. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching.